Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI for competitive analysis. This powerful tool will help you gain insights into your competitors and understand market trends. So let's dive in. First of all, go to the Perplexity AI website at perplexity.ai and sign up for an API key if you have not already. For that, you need to get to the bottom left corner and select the settings icon. Now select API, which is on the top right corner. Now select Docs, and after that select Get Started. Now here you can get the process of how to get an API key. This key will allow you to access Perplexity AI's analytical capabilities. Now set up your development environment by installing the necessary libraries and dependencies to work with the Perplexity AI API. Now integrate the Perplexity AI API into your competitive analysis system. Configure it to gather and analyze data related to your competitors. This involves setting up API endpoints and managing data flow. Now collect data on your competitors such as their products, pricing, marketing strategies, and customer reviews. You can use web scraping tools or competitor data APIs to gather this information. Now use Perplexity AI to analyze the collected data. The API can help you identify patterns, trends, and key insights about your competitors' strategies and market positioning. Now generate reports or visualizations based on the analysis results. These can include competitor comparisons, market trends, and strategic recommendations. Now review the insights provided by Perplexity AI to inform your own business strategies. Use the information to identify opportunities, threats, and areas for improvement. Now monitor and update your competitive analysis regularly to stay informed about changes in the market and competitors' strategies. Now deploy your competitive analysis system into your product environment, ensuring it provides actionable insights and supports your strategic decision making. And that's it. By following these steps, you can leverage Perplexity AI to conduct thorough competitive analysis and gain a strategic edge in your market. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.